Okay, guys. So before Shilpa joins, I'm going to sing one song on whistle. Okay, you need to guess. If it you can correctly. Let's see. Okay.
मेरे यार की
Guys, can you guess this song? Shilpa, I know you cannot guess this song. Okay.
I also don't
So
know which song you're talking about.
yeah, you gave me the hint for that at the beginning of this program. I think it's better now, Shilpa, right?
Yeah. I can, you can hear me, right?
Yes, perfectly. मेरे तरफ से तो
Wow,
कोई इशू
how
था ही नहीं.
ये कैसे फिक्स हुआ?
ये इसको कहते हैं, ये सब मोह माया है. पता नहीं कैसे फिक्स हो गया. तो मैंने पूरा स्विच ऑन स्विच ऑफ किया. आई थिंक वी मे बी सम नेटवर्क इशू वाज देयर.
Oh,
Okay.
probably.
So guys, quickly guess the song, then we can have a great conversation with Shilpa. So guys, those who have joined right now, I request you, those if you have not downloaded this Poker Bazi app, so you guys can download right away. So Poker Bazi presents this amazing, entertaining quarantunes, where we are going
Quarantuned.
to, yes, we're going to live with all the artists out there. They're going to come with all of us. They're going to sing. They're going to, play. They're going to share some of their personal lifestyles, their thought processes, what they do to keep, them entertainment, themselves, and many more, guys. So this complete things is bring by Seven Entertainment. So big applause for Seven Entertainment as well, guys. Come on. Oh, yeah.
Woohoo!
अगर वो नहीं होते तो हम लोग आज शायद शेयर नहीं कर रहे होते स्क्रीन. So big thanks to Seven Entertainment and Pokerbazi. So guys, download it. So guys, I think I already explained about Shilpa, but I'll explain once again. Shilpa, she is basically from Himachal Pradesh. She is a multi-talented, amazing songwriter, performer. मैं अभी बोल रहा हूँ लेकिन प्रूफ पूरे वीडियो में मिलेगा आपको, पूरे लाइव सेशन में मिलेगा. Because Shilpa will going to sing a lot of songs for all of us. Also, guys, if you have wish any song Shilpa want to sing, so you can put that song in the comment section. Okay. So Shilpa, guys, she's an engineer. Okay. Brain with beauty. Now she turned into singing right now. So also she participate in the reality show The Voice 2. She collaborated with a famous, the Shan and Mika Singh. Also, she's awarded with the Indian Wikimedia Best Singer Award. So, guys, amazing one. Shilpa, welcome once again here.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so much.
we have only one motto: stay home, stay safe, and get entertainment here at Seven Entertainments. We're going to bring a lot of artists for all of you so that you can keep yourself engaged in this isolation time. So, Shilpa, let's not waste more time. Everybody is dying to hear your melodious voice. Go for it.
Yay! Thank you so much, Kunal, first of all, for the lovely introduction. तो आपने जो शो का जिक्र किया द वॉइस इंडिया सीजन 2 उस पे मैंने ये गाना गाया था 3 साल पहले एंड इट बिकेम एन इंस्टेंट हिट इट रेजोनेटेड विद द ऑडियंस because it is urban, it is a retro song but is more urban. So I'm gonna sing that one for you, and also
Perfect.
I'm gonna guess it just the way you whistled it. I'm gonna guess
Yes.
the song.
Correct.
Okay,
So
let's
those
hear
people
it.
who have not guessed, you can hear the that song from a melodious voice from Shilpa.
Thank you. All right, here we go. इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की इंतहा हो गई
ओहो,
इंतजार की बात जो है उसमें बात वो यहाँ नहीं कहीं किसी में वो है मेरा बस है मेरा शोर है यही गली गली में बुझ न जाए ये शमा एतबार की
अमेजिंग।
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की
वो
आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा हो नहीं फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की थैंक यू
Whoa! Fantastic,
थैंक
Shilpa. That
यू
was amazing. What the energy level and the voice modulation you have here. Superb, yaar.
थैंक यू
That's
कुणाल थैंक यू
amazing.
सो मच
So, Shilpa, just want to, can you tell me more about yourself? How you spending your this lockdown time at your home? What are you doing? How you connected with music? What are the things
Absolutely.
that you do?
I'm having so many live sessions with amazing hosts like you,
Superb.
organized by some really cool people. And I'm at home just chilling, being with my family, spending some quality time. As artists, we travel a lot, and I live in Bombay, but right now I'm in Delhi with my family. I am basically from Himachal, but I've been raised in Delhi. तो बस मैं अपने परिवार के साथ हूँ मजे कर रही हूँ आई हैव अ लिटिल नीस I'm just spending time with her it's so much fun to
Great.
spend
Yeah, yeah,
yeah
yeah.
to play with her and trying to homeschool her trying to teach her counting and alphabets and all that
Super. So you have a great, entertainment small kid at your home. So that keep you
yeah full power.
engaged. Perfect. So Shilpa, how many hours you practice and how you connected with music every single day?
Well, I've never counted my practice session because that would be very unlike me.
Mhm.
मेरा पूरा दिन चलता ही रहता है रियाज सो इट स्टार्ट्स विद द मेडिटेशन ऑफ ओम जिसमें सा जिसको बोलते हैं सा लगाना या ओम मैं ओम प्रेफर करती हूँ बोलना बिकॉज मेडिटेशन हो जाती है और ये रियाज भी है एक तरीके का तो उससे शुरू होता है देन आई ट्राई टू पिक सॉन्ग्स दैट आई रियली वांट टू लर्न तो उनको मैं पूरे दिन सुनती रहती हूँ आई ट्राई टू यू नो लर्न द इंट्रिकेसीज ऑफ द सॉन्ग एंड दैट्स माय वे ऑफ लर्निंग ऐसा कोई बड़ा कोई दो दो तीन तीन घंटे बैठ के रियाज वाला हिसाब किताब नहीं है यहाँ पे बहुत कैजुअल मामला है इजी गोइंग है आई एम अ सेल्फ टॉट सिंगर तो मेरे तरीके काफी अपने अपने पसंद के मतलब ऐसा कुछ हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल्स नहीं मैं कोई फॉलो करती बड़ा फ्री फ्री फ्लोइंग टाइप का रियाज है
Oh, great. That's amazing. मतलब जब मन किया अपनी प्रैक्टिस कर
या
लो चलते फिरते किचन के अंदर and then you can have it.
या
Great,
A
great,
lot of
Shilpa.
people
Shilpa.
don't know कि रियाज करने के लिए सिर्फ गाने की जरूरत नहीं होती कई बार आप सुन के भी रियाज कर रहे होते हो आई थिंक आवर ब्रेन इज सो पावरफुल कि अगर हम कोई गाना सुनते भी हैं तो वो भी हमारे गले में उतर जाता है एटलीस्ट मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होता है तो कई बार क्या होता है मैं तो गाती नहीं हूँ कोई गाना बिल्कुल भी बस बहुत सुनती हूँ और व्हेन आई लाइक सिंग इट फॉर वंस और ट्वाइस वन और टू टाइम्स आई नेल इट तो
Great,
दैट्स
yeah.
हाउ इट वर्क्स फॉर मी थैंक यू
Superb. So you have that passion of keeping the lyrics in your head, and then when time comes, you go with that lyrics and the emotions and the feelings with your melodious voice. That's true. Yeah, that's great.
थैंक
So,
यू
so Shilpa, you have have done any professional training in singing, or like you said, self-taught singer. So before,
Yeah,
getting to
I wish I could have मैंने अगर ट्रेनिंग ली होती फॉर्मली तो ज्यादा मजा आता आई
Mhm.
एक्चुअली अप्लाइड फॉर अ मेरिट बेस्ड स्कॉलरशिप एट स्वर्ण भूमि एकेडमी ऑफ म्यूजिक इट्स इन
Mhm.
डाउन साउथ तो मुझे स्कॉलरशिप मिल भी गई थी बट मैं कर नहीं पाई परस्यू क्योंकि उस वक्त मैंने अभी अभी इंजीनियरिंग खत्म की थी एंड आई हैड स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी ऑन इंजीनियरिंग सो आई वाज जस्ट
Correct.
थिंकिंग यार मतलब माय पेरेंट्स वुड बी लाइक व्हाट इज दिस तो मैं नहीं परस्यू कर पाई बट यस आई वांट टू लर्न नाउ एंड yes once this coronavirus situation is sorted I'm gonna
Yeah.
pursue training formal training but अभी तक तो
Perfect.
मैं self taught ही हूँ
ग्रेट यार, सो खुद ने ही सीख के इतना कुछ सीख लिया, सुपर्ब यार. So you are endless. You became endless now because a person who learns by self does not need
Yeah,
anything. No? But that's amazing.
that's
So
true.
let's talk about something that you did. Ki, you did your engineering
Yeah.
and directly switch into this, singing part. So ye kab hua? Even you realized,
Uh,
getting into singing will be a great career for you.
I never thought that I will be a singer someday because,
Mhm.
coming from a simple background, we always think that uh, Bollywood,
Correct. Correct.
industry
Big
is
thing.
so big, it's so
Correct.
difficult, it's so
True,
competitive,
true.
which in fact it is. तो ये सब चीजें सोच के ना कभी दिमाग में आया ही नहीं, and I had nobody, not even a single soul from the industry, so I didn't know anybody. So for me,
Okay.
and being a girl, it was a tough decision for me. But I think when God has plans for you, nobody can stop you, and opportunities automatically come your way. You just have to, put your best foot forward, and that's what I did. I was in college, and I represented myself in various competitions. All India University Youth Festivals में मैं participate करती थी. तो मैंने कोई 600 यूनिवर्सिटीज को फाइट करके I won a gold medal in Western music. That's when I this band called Daira. This is a Hindi rock band, amazing musicians. तो उनके साथ मुझे मौका मिला परफॉर्म करने का म्यूजिक मोजो कपा टीवी में. I sang 3 songs. One was in Spanish, one was in Hindi, and one was in English. And everyone loved the songs and my performance, and everyone thought that I para dropped from somewhere, which was in fact true. I mean, I was not in the circle of musicians, nowhere near to them, but just because of this friend of mine called Piyush Kapoor, I got this opportunity. He invited me to collaborate with him, and you know उसके बाद तो कभी मुड़ के ही नहीं देखा. Like life changed after that, literally,
So,
for
so
good.
how many years you are practicing in singing?
Practicing as in I've been singing since childhood. जैसे वो बच्चे होते हैं परिवार में, बेटा अंकल को गाना गा के दिखाओ बेटा. So
That's
I was
true.
one of those popular kids.
Correct.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Correct.
So but college में थोड़ा seriously practice करना शुरू किया. I had this amazing teacher, Binny sir. He
Okay.
used to coach me. तो उन्होंने बहुत आधी आधी रात को हम प्रैक्टिस करते थे जब सारी लड़कियां हॉस्टल चली जाती थी, और मैं रात को अभी भी बैठ के प्रैक्टिस कर रही होती थी, बिकॉज आई वॉज रिप्रेजेंटिंग माई यूनिवर्सिटी. सो देयर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन माई शोल्डर्स, एंड आई वॉज अनट्रेन्ड, सो ही वॉज ट्रेनिंग मी. तो उन्होंने जो भी ट्रेनिंग की, दैट हैज हेल्प्ड मी नाउ इन अ लॉट ऑफ वेज. और वो मेहनत जो मैंने उस वक्त की थी वो मुझे अब बहुत हेल्प करती है, बिकॉज वहाँ उस तरीके का कंपटीशन देखने का के बाद यहाँ लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है, दिस इज द वे इट इज. So I got the taste of reality when I was in college. So I was well prepared before coming to the industry. I've completed 5 years now in Bombay, and I'm so happy, and I'm so um, um, satisfied with my choices, because I could have been an engineer. I never saw myself as an engineer, but I was always a singer girl who would just sing and get all the attention. So I was always that girl. I'm so happy that I'm able to do it. I wake up happy.
Superb, yeah, superb. Shilpa, love to hear all these, stories and everything. Okay, so people
Thank
are
you.
requesting. Can you request? Can you sing one more song that is close to your heart? Any song?
Absolutely, I will. Hmm. So all of us, most of us are like romantics at heart, huh?
Yes, yes.
तो ये
Especially the guys
प्यार भरा
born with it.
गाना. So I'm dedicating this song to all these guys, whoever I see on the screen. Akshu Singh, Ambariya, Palash, all these people that I can see.
You can see your Kunal
Uh,
Ospani also.
yes, of course, that goes without saying.
Superb,
Uh,
yeah. Yeah, go ahead.
so I'm gonna sing this one for all of you.
Correct.
Hmm. प्यार ना हो तो
Oh,
जिंदगी क्या है, यार ना हो तो बंदगी क्या है. दो लफ्ज की है बात एक ही है, फिर दरमियाँ क्यों रुकी रुकी, कह भी न पाए रह भी न पाए, यूं बेवजह है ये बेबसी। तुम में हम हैं, हम में तुम हो, तुमसे हम हैं, हमसे तुम हो, किस्मतों से मिलते हैं दो दिल यहाँ, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में, हर किसी
Fantastic.
को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में। खुश नसीब है हम जिनको है मिली ये बहार जिंदगी में, हर किसी को नहीं मिलता यहाँ प्यार जिंदगी में। And here comes my little me. Say hi.
Hello, hi. How
Say
are
how
you?
are you?
How are you?
I'm
Tell him
fine.
how
How
are
are
you?
you?
How are you?
अच्छा, blow
I'm
them a
fine.
flying
How are
kiss. Now go.
you? Alright.
She just, Bhabhi ji, she just bombarded in my room. She's like, what is happening? Why is Bua alone?
Yeah. And why
Now she's not
she's
going to
singing
leave.
song? Yeah, let us sing some song.
Yes, you bought.
See, she's going to be there for some time.
What's your name?
What is your name?
But it's not.
नहीं सुनना अभी अभी. What is your name? पहले बताओ.
It's not.
Hazel Suroj.
अच्छा हेजल. हाय हेजल. हेजल आप भी गाना गाते हो?
Hi. आप भी गाना गाते हो हेजल?
Internanki.
Go.
Internanki.
आईना कुछ
कुछ
खबर
खबर मेरे
Auntie.
ओ
Aina. Good cover. Mini auntie.
Would you believe I've never heard her sing this song? Oh my god, Hazel.
so Shilpa, now you got a partner as well now, you know.
Oh my, this
Because
is surprising. She knows the song. Hazel, you're
Yeah.
amazing. Now go. Baap re, isn't she fantastic? My god.
Yeah.
Now you know why I'm so happy and relaxed at home.
Correct. And now you know you got a partner also whom you can sing together, and you can guys
Oh,
can have a
all my
duet together.
family members are good singers, by the way. All my family members. My dad, now my dad has actually launched his YouTube channel on Facebook. Like he's playing songs on karaoke and singing with them,
Wow.
and then posting it on YouTube. So like, yeah, he's on his way to stardom as well.
But honestly, I feel yeah, you know those people who have this great voice, they are the best blessed people because
Thank you.
मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल हम लोग गाना गाते हैं सिर्फ बाथरूम में कि कोई दूसरा ना सुन पाए और हम गाली ना खाए ठीक है तो
No. I'm sure you're good too.
yeah, I can sing a song on whistles, but normal this song singing is a big challenge for me. Okay, so Shilpa, people are requesting one more song. हाँ भाई अब बोलो हम लोग आपके लिए बैठे हैं to entertain all of you.
Yeah.
So
Come
guys, you
on,
can request.
let's bring it on.
Yes.
Give me
Hips don't lie.
your hips don't lie. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, hips don't lie.
Yeah.
Bambo, bambarariaru, anu bella, lu bello, pepare bambala, oh. I never really knew that you could dance like this. She makes the men wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama? Bonita. Mi casa, Shakira. Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body. I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie. I'm starting to feel you, boy. Ay, to the bumbo. La gorista está esperando. You know I want to lie, but my hips don't lie. I'm starting to feel you, boy. Come on, let's go. Real slow. Don't you see, baby, this is perfecto. Oh, boy, I can see your body moving. Half mile, go half mile. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I seem to have a plan. My will, self-restraint have come to fail now. Bambo, bamba, anu bella, te
Whoa, Shilpa, that's on fire, you know. Lovely voice,
Thank you.
like commenting. That's amazing one. So, Shilpa, how
Thank
you
you.
keep these lyrics in your mind here? I mean, most of the people, they are very good singer and it's very tough, right? To keep this
It
kind of this.
is. Don't tell me about it. I forget lyrics a lot of times. But I think my fans who like, follow me ardently, they know कि ये गलत फलत गाती है कई बारी, so they don't mind it. They
But
don't care.
your voice cover it up, you know. See क्या होता है?
Probably.
Yeah,
But
so
I think
but
my fans
honestly,
are super nice and super kind to me. They are like, she is cuckoo. She sings random lyrics, but it's okay. We love her.
बिल्कुल love the voice. Someone commented आप दोनों भाई बहन हो गया. हाँ भाई हम दोनों भाई बहन हैं.
Bye bye.
आज ही बने हम दोनों भाई बहन. So great, Shilpa. Shilpa, okay, just want to talk about something, you know, that you participate in the past, the live show, The Voice too. So can you please share your journey with this? Because it's a very famous, musical show in India,
Yeah.
The Voice. So
Yeah,
can you
yeah, yeah.
please share some,
Of course.
experiences with it?
So when I participated in The Voice, मैं already Bombay में थी and I was already doing okay in life
Okay.
in general musically. Then I got
Mm-hmm.
this opportunity, and I had grown up watching The Voice international formats
Mm-hmm.
because I have always been into English music and Western genres of music. So I used to follow The Voice UK, The Voice Australia. So they were my favorite shows, and in ये I think ये एक one of the rarest उन shows में से जिनका audition round का पहला round ही is like the best round. क्योंकि chairs उल्टी होती हैं, the judges cannot
हाँ,
see you, and if they
correct.
like you, they press the buzzer and they
Button.
turn around. So when I
Correct.
participated, I thought ठीक है, दो तीन शायद एक दो लोग मुड़ जाएंगे मेरे लिए, एक दो जज मुड़ जाएंगे और मैं सिलेक्ट
Correct.
हो जाऊं शायद, ऐसा मैंने सोचा था. बट जब मैं गई वहां पे तो माय डैड वाज विद मी एंड माय डैड वाज लाइक, बेटा इतने लोग सिलेक्ट हो चुके हैं, अब सिर्फ इतनी स्पॉट्स बचे हैं, ये वो. And I told my dad, dad, just relax. I'm just gonna have fun on stage. And that really transcended into something really big because all I did was had fun on stage. My performance was so amazing. It was like a Ekta Kapoor serial. It was full of emotions. It had we danced, I sang, I cried, I laughed. I did everything on that, in those 5 minutes of my time. It was so much fun. I sang all of the four judges, Benny Dayal, Neeti Mohan, Shan, Salim Merchant. ये दिग्गज हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री के,
Correct.
they are like
No
so
doubt in that.
amazing, and all of them turned and they were literally fighting with each other to have me in their team.
In
So
that
it was
group,
like
yes.
a dream. Yeah, and even after the show ended for me, they have been really nice to me. They've been very appreciative, and I really, I'm grateful. I'm grateful to God, to all the judges, to all the fans who made me. I literally उस टाइम पे तो इतना ज्यादा था कि छोटे छोटे बच्चे आके, हमने आपको The Voice में देखा है. I would travel
Wow.
in trains and somebody would be looking at me, a girl would be looking at me, and I'm like, why is she looking at me? Then later she would come, like, आप The Voice में थे ना? I said, yeah. मैं ट्रेन की अपर बोगी में बैठ के ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ and then
Great.
somebody is recognizing. I'm like, okay. So, my journey has been so beautiful in this reality show. I cannot thank the audience enough for making it such a hit.
Oh, that's amazing. कितना मस्त होगा. I mean, I just can imagine right now. I can completely understand the journey you've been, for this
Yeah.
The Voice. So, can you sing 2 lines जो आपने song गाया था वहाँ पे?
मैंने इंतहा हो गई गाया था उधर, और मैंने अभी भी
Okay.
वही, that was my first song, yes.
Okay.
But I can
Any
sing
song?
something else for you.
Yeah. Any song that you like to sing for the all the people who are watching right now? So you can sing any
Okay.
song.
So I'm just gonna sing 2 lines of my latest song that I did for this film called Jai Mamidi. I sang with Mika Singh, the Mika
Mm-hmm.
Singh,
Mm-hmm.
and Harjot. तो वो मैं गाना गा देती हूँ. सिर्फ 2 लाइन है, but I'm sure you like it.
चलेगा. Yeah.
मैं मुंडा था बीबा, किस्मत ही पैड़ी थी, इस लव के चक्कर में लाइफ ट्रेजिक हो गई, मैं मुंडा था बीबा किस्मत ही पैड़ी थी, इस लव के चक्कर में लाइफ ट्रेजिक हो गई, दिल पे जैसे कोई सुनामी आ गई, थिरकते
ओह,
शहर में एक चुप्पी छा गई, गले में फंदा पे गया इश्क दा बैंड बज गया, गले में फंदा पे गया इश्क दा बैंड बज गया, ओ यारा पंगा पे गया इश्क दा बैंड बज गया, गले में फंदा पे गया इश्क दा बैंड बज गया, ओए थैंक यू।
oh, amazing one, amazing one, amazing. Okay, Shilpa,
थैंक यू।
I'm sure definitely you got a great grip over English and the Hindi. But beside that, what all other languages that you love to sing?
मैं हिमाचली तो हूँ, तो मैं हिमाचली में तो गा ही लेती हूँ, पंजाबी में गा लेती हूँ,
हाँ,
मैं बंगाली में गा लेती हूँ। तो मैं कुछ सुना दूँ आपको, फोक
yes,
फोक
yes,
सुनना
मैं
चाहेंगे
बोलने
आप?
वाला था कि कुछ हो जाए कुछ, या
ठीक है, तो मैं एक पंजाबी फोक सुनाती हूँ।
परफेक्ट।
हो डची वाले मोड़ मुहार वे सोनी वाले हले चले नाल वे, हो डची वाले मोड़ मुहार वे सोनी वाले हले चले नाल वे, हो डाची वाले अमोड़ मुहार वे, हो डाची वाले अमोड़ मुहार वे, हो डाची वाले अमोड़ मुहार वे सोनी वाले हले चल नाल वे, हो डाची वाले अमोड़ मुहार वे सोनी वाले हले चल नाल वे।
Wow, superb. There's someone written,
थैंक
yeah,
यू।
Subhanallah. Subhanallah, Shilpa, that's amazing. People are, spreading love and hearts for all of you. Thank you so much,
वाओ,
Shilpa, for this amazing song. So, Shilpa,
थैंक यू।
I'm sure you perform a lot of live shows, right?
या
So,
या
what do you enjoy the most? Live shows or something, recording? What do you enjoy the most?
एवरीथिंग, एवरी बिट
Everything.
ऑफ म्यूजिक, या
Correct.
चाहे वो दोस्तों के साथ घर पे जैम करना हो, या
Uh-huh.
स्टूडियो में जाके रिकॉर्ड करना हो, या लाइव परफॉर्म
Correct.
करना हो, तीनों ही चीजें इतनी स्पेशल हैं बिकॉज
True, true.
तीनों ही चीजें बड़ी नर्चरिंग है, बहुत ही सेटिस्फाइंग है। मतलब स्टूडियो में गाने का अलग ही मजा है बिकॉज स्टूडियो में गाना एक चैलेंज है। आई थिंक मतलब स्टेज पे गाना भी चैलेंज है, बट स्टूडियो में
Correct.
आपको पता नहीं है कि ये गाना क्या बन सकता है, आपको पता
हाँ,
नहीं है कि
true, true.
आप क्या कर सकते हो इस गाने के साथ। यू आर जस्ट डूइंग योर बिट। आपको नहीं
Correct.
पता कि म्यूजिक फाइनली कैसा होगा या क्या होगा, आपको सिर्फ एक सिचुएशन दी जाती है, आपको एक आइडिया ऑफ द सॉन्ग दिया जाता है, यू हैव टू फील दोज इमोशंस। और जब वो गाना बाहर आता है और जिस इमोशन के साथ आपने वो गाया होता है वो ऑडियंस भी फील कर पाती है, आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट इज एन अचीवमेंट फॉर मी। सक्सेस इसी को कहते हैं कि जब आप के इमोशंस दूसरे के तक पहुंच पाए, आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट डिटरमाइंस द सक्सेस ऑफ द सॉन्ग। सो आई फील दैट इज देयर, बट व्हेन यू आर परफॉर्मिंग ऑन स्टेज तो उस वक्त आपको ऑन द स्पॉट फीडबैक मिल रही होती है, तो एक वो एक
Correct.
डिफरेंस है
Exactly.
बहुत बड़ा।
Correct.
And most of the time you can just feed off of the energy of the audience. You can in fact to an extent control them with your music, and it is so that feels so powerful that अगर आप emotional like soft romantic गाना गा रहे हैं तो you can literally you can literally see those emotions in people's eyes.
True, true, true.
So both the things are so special in their own way.
Correct. So, Shilpa, just connected to that, my next question is, do you remember any funny or memorable incident during your live show ki, still is that runs in your mind when you think of the live show?
So many of them. I recently was performing at Hard Rock Cafe, and this guy went on his knees and he proposed me. And I was like,
Wow.
wow, all right, guys, I just got proposed. I'm going to get my lehenga now. Everybody cracked. Everybody was like,
Great.
what is this? So that was one funny incident. But one of the most memorable events that happened was in Nashik when I was performing with my teammates, and we had to be in Nashik. We were performing for some college. It was a college concert. एंड उस दिन बॉम्बे में कुछ राइट्स चल रहे थे, तो कुछ कर्फ्यू था आई गेस,
Okay.
और बहुत
Okay.
डेंजरस थी सिचुएशन, और तोड़ फोड़ हो रही थी काफी। तो
Okay.
बट वी वर एडमेंट कि हमें जाना है, वी हैव टू परफॉर्म, बिकॉज नासिक में सिचुएशन वाज ऑल राइट, इट वाज जस्ट हमारे बॉम्बे साइड में ही ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम था। तो
Correct.
हम पूरा दिन वेट करते रहे, कब हम निकलेंगे, कब हम निकलेंगे, कब हम निकलेंगे। फाइनली जैसे ही हमें मौका लगा कि अभी सेफ है निकलना, मी एंड माय बैंडमेट्स, ऑल ऑफ अस, वी लेफ्ट फॉर नासिक, एंड
Mhm.
यू वोंट बिलीव द स्टूडेंट्स देयर वर सो एक्साइटेड for having
Wow.
us, that they waited for us because we were really late. We didn't do
Mhm.
any sound check, we didn't do anything. I went to the wherever the makeup room was, I quickly changed, didn't do even any makeup, anything, just changed my dress, took the mic and just hit the stage, and it was so
Great.
amazing. It was so much fun, so much fun. But
Super.
you know that victory wala feeling hame aaya kyunki
Correct.
hum against all odds we were making our way to the stage, and it was so much fun. The audience,
And
and I think that's where the role of the audience comes, when they are excited to have you, you feel like, you have a responsibility, you feel like अब तो मुझे अपना 200% देना है, and that's what happened that day.
super. It's a great experience, because
Yeah, yeah,
most
yeah.
of the time we go, we check the mic and everything, and this kind
Yeah.
of thing where you're not checked anything, we are not practiced anything, no
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
nothing, just on the spot. Let's bang it.
Yeah,
Love
yeah,
that.
absolutely. It was a lot of fun. And it was a successful show. मतलब बहुत
Correct.
मजा किया था हमने. I
Wow.
will never
Okay.
forget that.
That's superb, amazing one. So ये कुछ incident होते हैं that really make polish our career and the experiences in a right direction. So that is very useful. Also Shilpa, like everyone is requesting, can I have Himachal का कोई song, as you belong to
जरूर.
Himachal, so एक पहाड़ी
Yeah, yeah,
type
yeah,
song
for
or
sure.
any song.
For sure. So recently as I said that I compose my own songs as well. तो मैंने एक गाना बनाया था, और मैंने वो परफॉर्म भी किया म्यूजिक मोजो कपा टीवी पर। तो जब मैंने वो
Mhm.
गाना बनाया, और उसी दौरान आई वाज इन अ जोन वेयर एक ये हिमाचली गाना है जो मेरे जहन में बहुत ज्यादा, इट वाज देयर, एंड आई केप्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट द सॉन्ग। इट इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग, एंड नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो अबाउट इट। All of
Mhm.
us know about those popular Himachali songs, but not a lot of people knew about this folk song. So I was like, I
Okay.
have to use it in some way. So what I did was I made it a prelude to my song, and I performed it. So I will sing that one for you. The
Please do.
song's name is कहता ना क्यों, and उसके starting में जो folk song है वो मैं गा के बताती हूँ।
Yes.
उड़ी जाया काले कागा, एक वो संदेशा लाई जाया। उड़ी जाया काले कागा, एक वो संदेशा लाई जाया। जाती रहती है क्यों सांसें मेरी यूं, तुझे देख के दिन ढलता है, दिन जल ही जाता है, जो ना रुके कदम तेरे, दिल ऐसे गाता है, कहता ना क्यों मेरा ही है तो तेरी बाहों में खो के मैं जी जाती हूँ, कहता
Wow.
ना क्यों मेरा ही है तू, तेरी बाहों में खो के मैं जी जाती हूँ, उड़ी जाया काले काका, एक वो संदेशा लई जाया, उड़ी जाया काले काका, एक वो संदेशा लई जाया, एक वो संदेशा ले जाया. Thank you.
Hey, superb, amazing, Shilpa. That's so
Thank you.
lovely, you know? Amazing. Shilpa, one thing. Pilo, pilo, pani pilo.
Ilya.
I'm sorry. Okay, so Shilpa, one thing. Like I'm a disaster singer. I'm sure many people are there who love to sing, but they don't have any idea, direction they want to step in for this singing as their hobby or as a career. So, what advice you like to give the newcomers who want to pursue their career as a singing?
Hmm. There are a lot of aspects to become a singer these days. You know, now you're not just an artist, but you're a business person as well. You should know how to sell yourself. So it depends on the kind of module you're working. So for example, now a lot of YouTube singers have come up. They have made their own audience. The platform is free, and they have created their own niche. So first of all, it is very important to identify a couple of things. What is your niche? What is your expertise? What is the kind of music that moves you? The kind of genre that you feel you're best at. Once you
Mm-hmm.
identify that, of course, then you have to nurture yourself as a singer, as a songwriter, or as a lyricist, whatever art it is that you are into. If
Correct.
you're into music, if you're into singing, then you need to be conscious of your singing vocal exercises. As I said कि ओम का उच्चारण करना, मेडिटेशन करते वक्त अगर आप ओम करते हैं, जैसे कि हम सा लगाते हैं, तो that
Mm-hmm.
really helps you. Then there are a couple of other exercises to open up your nodules, like brr, 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 these are the exercises that you do. Then then me.
Okay.
So these exercises help you to open up your vocals, to extend your range, your tone you can work on. There are a lot of aspects of it. तो प्रैक्टिस
That's
करते
good.
रहिए, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज तो यही है. और देन आइडेंटिफाई कीजिए कि आपका मेन एम क्या है, आपको करना क्या
Mm-hmm.
है एग्जैक्टली. देन यू कैन मेक
Correct.
अ प्लान फॉर इट.
Correct, correct, correct. That's true. So, guys, those who are new joining or want to, pursue your career as singing, so she gave a beautiful advice, okay, what you need to do as you are a newcomer. Perfect. So, Shilpa, one more thing. What kind of plans that you have? I'm sure not today, tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, this lockdown will go away. So, what's your plan, once this lockdown will get finished?
माई
सबसे पहले
प्लान
क्या
इज टू
करोगे?
रिलीज सम म्यूजिक. पहले तो मैं अपने म्यूजिशियन दोस्तों से मिलूंगी, तो जो भी अभी तक मैंने क्रिएट करने की कोशिश की. आई एम ट्राइंग टू राइट लिरिक्स, आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक सम म्यूजिक, कंपोज समथिंग. तो एंड देन आई हैव टोल्ड माय फ्रेंड्स टू मेक म्यूजिक ओवर इट. सो वी आर जैमिंग कंटिन्यूअसली ऑन फोन. जैसे भी हो सकता है, वीडियो कॉल्स के थ्रू वो करेंगे.
Correct.
तो वो सब अभी तक तो पेन एंड पेपर पे ही है, और एक सबके रिस्पेक्टिव घरों तक ही है वो प्रोजेक्ट. बट वंस दिस situation is over, I would love to materialize them in a proper way, and I would love to
Mhm.
release some music. Yeah, that is what. And I'm trying to learn new things. I'm trying to learn beatboxing.
Whoa.
all that.
Whoa.
It's funny. Yeah, it's
Oh,
funny.
that's
It
fine.
looks
That's fine.
funny when a
Yeah,
girl
good,
is.
good, good. Good, good. We
So
want to hear
yeah,
that.
I don't know much, but like, okay. Come to me, भूल जाए सारा जहां. Come to me, हम बना ले अपनी नई जगह. एक मैं
Whoa.
और एक तू है. So just little bit
Yeah,
of
that's
things.
fine.
I'm still. This is not the right time for me to showcase
Correct.
one, but I just did it. So yeah, I'm trying to learn how to beatbox. I'm trying to
Correct,
write.
correct.
I'm trying to learn a couple of other things. Reading a lot. So yeah, that's what is happening.
All right, all right. So Shilpa, that's a lovely, amazing one with you.
See, people are
So
laughing in
just
the
quickly.
comment section. Don't
No,
laugh,
that's fine.
guys. I'm gonna
Correct, correct.
make
Nailed
a
it in few
story
minutes.
of my kick-ass kickboxing.
Correct,
Beatboxing skills.
correct, correct. So Shilpa, quickly we'll move on with the last part of it. So there'll be a rapid fire round for you. Okay,
Ooh,
you cannot
okay.
you cannot think much. You have to quickly reply to me. Okay,
Okay.
your favorite song of all time?
Lag Ja Gale.
Lag Ja Gale. Your favorite generation of music?
My favorite genre
What
of
kind of
music
music do you
would
listen to?
be indie pop. I really love indie pop. Yeah.
Okay, so your favorite show?
My favorite show. I really like Money Heist these days, but also my
Okay.
eternally favorite show is Takeshi's Castle. Do you remember that?
Oh, yeah, little
I
bit of
love
it.
that show. I wish I could participate in that competition. I love that show.
Fantastic. So, your favorite collaboration so far?
I recently got an opportunity to collaborate with Divine. Divine and
Correct.
Pinaki. So that is
Correct.
one of my most recent achievements. I was so happy
Mhm.
to see him.
Mhm.
We were supposed to record one song, but we ended up recording three, and I'm very excited
Great.
about them. I don't know when they will release, but I'm just very happy and grateful that I got this opportunity.
Perfect. So, last but not least, who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer, all-time favorite singer, Kishore ji. I just love it, and I relate to him so much because he was also a self-taught singer. He was also a
Mhm.
versatile singer. So I really love him. But also Sunidhi Chauhan. I mean, I love her. I love her.
Correct.
She is fabulous.
Correct. Okay, so Shilpa, last, what advice that you want to give to all the people out there who is watching us live right now?
आई थिंक सबको ना बहुत एडवाइस मिल चुकी है. सब एडवाइस दे रहे हैं. मैं कोई एडवाइस नहीं देने वाली हूँ अब. नो मोर
Great, great.
एडवाइजेस.
Yes, but still,
बस
guys,
घर पे रहो, मजे
yes,
करो, अपने फैमिली
yes,
के
yes,
साथ रहो, थोड़ा कुछ सीखो
correct.
वीखो, मतलब ऐसे टाइम मत वेस्ट करो. बिकॉज
Mhm.
जब ये ओवर हो जाएगा देन यू विल लुक बैक दैट ओ माय गॉड आई हैड सो मच टाइम इन माय हैंड एंड आई डिडंट डू
Correct.
द मोस्ट ऑफ एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. सो मेक द
True,
मोस्ट
true.
ऑफ द सिचुएशन एंड stay happy, stay positive.
Yes, yes, yes. So, best thing, guys, follow our motto: stay home, stay safe, and stay entertained with Seven Entertainment here at Quarantunes.